Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video I'm going to show you our index analysis. We're going to analyze the market fundamentally for the next week, that means next Monday to Friday. Okay, and as you know that gold is always connected with USD, that means we have to follow properly USD news. Okay, or we have to keep your eyes on USD news. So before you start, you have to keep your concern on two things, that is one of them is positive news, another one is negative news. Okay, positive news comes with positive data like green 0.5%, green to 45k indicates sell for gold. That means for positive data we will sell gold, and opposite for negative data, and negative data comes with red 0.5%, red to 45k, and we will buy for negative data or negative news. Okay, so you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for sell in positive news, buy in negative news? So let me explain a little bit more. Suppose before that you have to keep your concern two things. One is gold value is always fixed, that means this is constant value, and USD value or currency value is always changeable, that means this is variable. Okay, variable, and gold value is always constant. And suppose for now one triangle of XAU is equal to 2500 triangle of gold. Okay, and if we add plus 5% on USD, that means news come there is 5% inflation coming on USD, that's why we have to 5% plus 5% in USD. If we add 5% on this triangle, this triangle will be 5% bigger than previous one, that means in that case news is positive, that means green news, and in that case gold is smaller than USD. Okay, that's why we have to sell gold. And if we minus 5% from the triangle will be, that means for negative news triangle will be smaller than before, and in that case gold is bigger than, or gold is going up. Okay, and in that case we will buy gold. I hope you understand about positive and negative news, and how we apply that on the forex market or marketplace. As you can see there is a chart from major and semi-major news from forexfactory.com, and all are USD red and orange color news. Red marked news are very important news, that means major news, and orange color news are semi-major news, that means less important than red color. Okay, and Monday we have one USD news, that means semi-major, and Fed chair power sell specs, and if data come with negative like that, we will sell gold, and if data come with positive like with green color data, we will, for negative data we will buy gold, and for positive data we'll sell gold. Okay, in Tuesday we have three news. Okay, same thing will happen there, that means for positive data we will sell gold, for negative data we will buy gold. Okay, in Wednesday we have two time news, that means those all are semi-major news, and in Thursday we have a lot of major news over here, and in that case for positive data we will sell gold, for negative data we will buy gold. Okay, and in Friday, as you can see there is major news, same thing will happen there in Friday's news. And one more very important thing that you have to understand, that is there is a lot of geopolitical issue running around the world, that means there is Russia and Ukraine. Okay, Russia and Ukraine, there is a lot of Middle East tension. Okay, Middle East tension, there is US China trade war, and lot of things happening around the world, so you have to keep your concern on that also. Geopolitical issues and trade wars are moving market suddenly fly or drop. Those are happening suddenly. So if you trade and this situation in this Donald Trump speaks a lot of things, like they already started to keep pressuring on Apple. The Donald Trump just says they will add 25% tariff on Apple. That's why in last Tuesday and Friday market is going up. That means US dollar inflation is going higher day by day, and they have, that means Apple's have manufacturer in India, and they just want to move that on United States, because they want to reduce jobless people on US. So this is also create a pressure on the market. So you have to keep your eyes on those all of thing to trade on this market, and always follow proper money management, because there is Donald Trump, there's anything can happen anytime. So I hope you understand all thing. We are sharing a lot of geopolitical news or geopolitical issues or market trends or lot of fundamental thing in our Telegram channel. So you may join our public Telegram channel to get all of those update time by time. Okay, so that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.
Started with a drink and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned. Signals roll